Hello, good day. Welcome back to Coding with V. And today we're going to start a new series called Unlock Your AI Power, a beginner's guide to using AI tools. Now, why did I say your AI? Because in this series, I'm going to show you how much you can get for free in terms of AI tools and how you can run them locally on the computer that you currently have, whether that's Mac, Windows, or a Linux-based machine. And of course, it's going to be free because you won't have to pay anyone anything for running it locally. Now, at some point, I'll show you how to use paid stuff too, in case you want to do more interesting things. But really, I'm going to show you just how much you're going to get for free from these AI tools. And so it's going to be your AI. And so if we go back to middle of 2024, last year, I put out this, I put out a video showing that I'm going to do a couple of things. One, I was going to create a new channel called Viral, etc. That's going to cover all these other things that you see on the right here, solar, blah, blah, blah. I'm still doing that. Please subscribe. Basically, I just want to introduce today's topic. And so as you can see on the left-hand side, we said we were going to do AI topics and usage. And so this is what this series is going to start. How to use AI, for general everyday things and even not so general things, but I'll try and show you how you can really use it in ways that you might not have thought of. And also, like I said, how to use it cheaply. So what are we going to be covering in this series? When I think about how I use AI tools on my computer, and what I want to show you guys, well, it's a lot. And so I'm not going to call it all the topics, but here they are. We're going to be talking about Ollama, how to install it, how to use different UIs with Ollama. We'll talk about using some other more packaged things like LM Studio, and I'll show you the differences and you can decide which one you want to use. Then I'm sure you, once you have your AI, your large language model installed locally, some of the things that you can use with it, including other tools that we're going to install, and also how to use some of the more frontier models. But we're going to, it's a lot. I'll show you how to use LLMs for coding, doing other things on your computer. Like, it's just a lot. There are other topics that I'm going to show that are not even on this list. So buckle in, and I hope you're excited to get started looking at AI. It's a hot topic right now. There's AI everywhere. You can't turn around without hearing about AI. And it's time for me to show you how I've been using these sort of tools for well over a year and how you can use them too. So if you aren't subscribed and you like what you're seeing, please consider hitting the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell so you know when I post on these topics. And if you don't mind, give a thumbs up to this video. Leave comments to let me know if there are other things you'd like to see that's not listed here. And maybe I already have it planned, but then I can possibly incorporate it. So let me know what you would like to see. And if you're using AI tools, let me know the ones you're using down in the comments. And maybe I can cover those too for others who may not know them. All right. Take care. Stay safe. See you in the next video. I'm so excited for us to get started on this. All right. Bye.